beneath the endless white of the South Pole, lies the most forbidden land on Earth. A place surrounded by mystery, protected by international law, and off-limits to almost everyone. Antarctica. But what if I told you that this frozen wasteland might actually be the key to understanding humanity's true history, and that what's under the ice could change everything we know about our planet's past? In 2025, new scientific discoveries and satellite scans revealed something strange beneath the ice: symmetrical shapes, magnetic anomalies, and signs of massive structures that shouldn't exist. So what exactly is being hidden in Antarctica? Why are we not allowed to explore it freely? And what secrets lie beneath miles of frozen time? Antarctica is the fifth largest continent on Earth, larger than Europe and nearly twice the size of Australia. But unlike every other landmass on our planet, we know almost nothing about what's beneath its thick sheet of ice. It's the coldest, driest and windiest place on Earth. Temperatures can drop below 80 degrees, and the ice in some regions is over 3 miles thick. Scientists believe that beneath this frozen armor lies an entire world: mountain ranges, lakes, possibly even ancient ecosystems sealed away for millions of years. But the deeper question is, why can't we explore it freely? In 1959, at the height of the Cold War, something unprecedented happened. The world's most powerful nations, the United States, the Soviet Union, the United Kingdom and others, signed the Antarctic Treaty, agreeing that no country could claim the continent, no military bases could be built, and no mining or nuclear testing could take place. Think about that. During a time when these countries were threatening each other with nuclear war, they somehow agreed to protect Antarctica together. Why? What could possibly unite rival superpowers? Officially, it was to preserve peace and scientific cooperation. But many researchers and historians believe there was another reason, that they found something under Thais, something that needed to be kept secret. Here's what textbooks don't tell you. Antarctica wasn't always covered in ice. Millions of years ago, it was a lush green land filled with forests and rivers. Fossils of tropical plants and even dinosaurs have been discovered there, proving it was once warm enough to sustain life. Some scientists estimate that the ice sheet began forming only about 35 million years ago. That means there could be ancient structures, maybe even civilizations, buried below, perfectly preserved in ice, like insects trapped in amber. And here's where things get even stranger. Ancient maps drawn centuries ago show Antarctica without ice, with detailed coastlines that modern technology has only recently confirmed to be accurate. The most famous of these is the Piri Reis map, drawn in 1513 by an Ottoman admiral. This map shows the exact shape of South America and the northern coastline of Antarctica, hundreds of years before anyone even knew the continent existed. Historians argue it was based on older source maps, possibly from ancient civilizations that had global knowledge long before modern history begins. Could these civilizations have known Antarctica when it was ice-free? Could they have lived there? And if so, what happened to them? In 2016, NASA's Operation Icebridge detected strange anomalies deep beneath the ice, large symmetrical shapes and heat signatures. Some of these structures appear to be hundreds of meters tall and perfectly geometric, resembling pyramids. Photos began circulating online, and while skeptics dismissed them as natural formations, others pointed out that their angles were too precise to be random. Since then, multiple areas of Antarctica have been marked as no-fly zones. Coincidence? Or cover-up? There are several theories about what's really beneath the ice. The lost civilization theory, that Antarctica once hosted an advanced human or pre-human society, possibly the legendary Atlantis. The alien base theory, that extraterrestrial beings used the continent as an outpost hidden from human eyes. The government cover-up theory, that secret research facilities operate under the guise of scientific bases studying ancient technology or biological samples. All of these sound like science fiction, until you realize how little the public actually knows about what's really happening there. Even today, access to most of Antarctica is restricted. Only a few heavily monitored research stations are allowed, and none of them are near the anomaly zones. Forward to 2025. New satellite scans revealed something stunning: massive heat signatures and tunnels beneath the ice stretching for miles. Government sources said they were caused by volcanic activity. But the data showed symmetrical patterns and energy readings that didn't match natural formations. Scientists quietly suggested there could be vast underground caverns, some large enough to fit entire cities. And yet, within weeks of these findings going public, several research missions were classified. No further data was released. Once again, silence from those in power. Whether it's lost civilizations, alien relics, or simply the untouched secrets of Earth itself, one thing is certain: Antarctica holds something the world isn't ready to confront. Maybe it's not about what's under the ice. Maybe it's about what it would mean if we found it. Because discovering proof of an advanced civilization older than recorded history would rewrite everything: religion, science, evolution, human identity. Perhaps that's why the continent remains forbidden. Not because of what's there, but because of what it would change. So now the question is yours. What do you think lies beneath Antarctica's ice? Ancient ruins? Hidden technology? Or the truth about where humanity really came from? Drop your theory in the comments. I want to read everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, share it with someone who loves mysteries, and subscribe for more stories that challenge what we think we know about our world.